Alrighty, this is a demo video showing off AMAPI's new package manager APK installation feature, and I'm doing that through the use of a companion app that I've spent most of the weekend bringing up. Now on the right in front of you, you can see the API Explorer as always when we test AMAPI features, and then on the left hand side I've got a pixel to do the demo itself. Now, I have the companion already preloaded, installed, ready to go, and you can see some manage config is already available in the payload there. The chosen implementation I've gone with is manage config. There are several ways it could be done, I'm sure. I've documented those in the companion article I've written alongside this, but I'm choosing to do it through manage config. I think that's a nice, open, easy way of doing so. So manage config is partially done here. I have some applications already installed on the device, and I'm going to add a few more now. I'm going to start with the manage config first, just because it's in front of us. So if I pop in a new line here, now I have it pre-written, so I'm just going to grab it and paste it in. Here, and let's pop it. There we go, that should do it. So I have the URL where I'm going to fetch the APK. Again, there are other ways of doing it. This works for me for this POC. I've got the package name itself, so my companion app knows which APK on which package name we're talking about, and then I've also put in the admin certificate sign-in key, the base 64 hash of it at least, just so I can verify that APK on disk before I send it over to AMAPI, to ensure it hasn't been altered in any way between the download and the installation. Okay, now if I scroll all the way down past the other applications I've got, you'll see there's a new couple of applications added here already under the install type of custom. This is the new method, and effectively all we're doing in this policy is telling the Android Management API that we are preloading through other means a custom application, and we want the policy to approve of it. Not only that, but we are validating the signing key again on the AMAPI policy side. So if this signing key doesn't match what the APK provides when the companion app provides the app for installation, it will be rejected, so we need to get that right. I'll do the same thing again. I've already pre-written a little payload, so I'll just go here, and I think I'll just stick it in the middle here. There we go. So I've obtained this APK from F-Droid. Any APK in theory works as long as it's compatible with the device. So you can see here I've got the package name that we are allow listing within the policy. I've got the install type of custom, and then a custom app config that just says allow or disallow and install. I'm going to stick with allow for this use case, but you can do what you want. Signing keys, they match, so this is the same one I've put up in the manage config above as well. And effectively with that I should now be able to go to execute if I wake the device up, and yep, I've put it in correctly, so hopefully it'll pick that up and pretty quickly go through the motions of installing it. I do want to avoid cheating by opening the companion app, because this should all be handled through manage config in the background, but for the sake of the demo I might grab it a bit quick now and just see what it's going to do. Okay, that took a little bit longer than I was expecting, so I cut the video just briefly, but if we look at notifications, you can see that Safe Space, the application referenced in the policy, has now been installed. So I can go through here, and if I head back up to this one. So I can go here and remove the package. And even though the manage configuration still tries to install it, it won't do anything because the package will be rejected by AMAPI. See version 55, so that's bumped. And we should also see it's now been deleted. So just to, I guess, for completeness, I'll go here and re-add that package. Head back down and execute it. You see version 56, and we'll just watch the device now. And there we go. So that is APK Package Manager installation in a nutshell. There's a little bit more information in the accompanying document I wrote, which you can find on the website. But I'll leave that there. If you've got any questions, let me know.